Hi, this is Dr. Chris Heave, chiropractor, and I have in the office today my two little boys, Chase and Preston. Say hi, Chase.
Hi.
Say hi, Preston.
Hi.
And these guys have been getting adjustments ever since they've been little teeny babies, right? Okay, and Chase, why do you get adjusted? That's right. And Preston, why do you get adjusted? Makes you strong. That's right. Thanks, guys. Say bye.
Bye.